sa ating mga balita, nanindigan ng AFP na patuloy silang magbabantay sa mga teritoryo ng Pilipinas sa West Philippine Sea. Kaugnay niyan, sinabi ng AFP na dapat nang ihinto ng China ang isinasagawang reclamation sa pinag-aagawang teritoryo.
Ayon kay AFP Chief Gregorio Katapang, nagdudulot ito ng pinsala sa kalikasan sa naturang lugar. Sinabi pa ni Katapang na posible din na maging ugat ng tensyon sa mga bansang umaangkin sa lugar ang reclamation ng China. Si Wayway Makalma sa detalye.
Bagamat una nang tinanggi ng China na wala silang sinisira sa kalikasan habang nagsasagawa ng reclamation sa 7 isla sa West Philippine Sea. Pero hindi naman ito kinatigan ng militar. Mismong si General Gregorio Katapang ang nagpahayag na malaki na ang nawawala sa bansa dahil sa paninirang ginagawa ng China sa ating kalikasan. Ayon sa kanilang taya, aabot sa $100 milyong ang nawawala sa ating ekonomiya kapag nasisira ang 300 hektarya ng coral reef.
We have compelling reasons to raise our voice to tell the whole world the adverse effects of China's aggressiveness that has created tensions only among the countries who have overlapping claims in the area, but also among the countries around the world who are using the international sea lanes in the West Philippine Sea for trade and commerce. As you can see in these images, Chinese massive reclamation activities are causing irreversible and widespread damage to the biodiversity and ecological balance of the West Philippine Sea. China's claim that its activities have not caused damage to the environment in this area is not acceptable. For example, the destruction of 300 acres of coral reef systems resulting from the reclamations is estimated to lead to economic losses to coastal states valued at $100 million annually.
Matatandaan na hindi lang ito ang unang beses na nanira ang China sa ating kalikasan. Maging ang mga Chinese fishermen sa Baho de Masinloc ay naiulat na inaabuso ang lugar na ilang beses nang nahuhuli ng Philippine Coast Guard at Philippine Navy. Pero naman isinantabi ng militar ang backdoor channeling, ngunit nilinaw ni Katapang na hindi sila ang tamang ahensyang magdedesisyon ukol rito.
I think that's on the side of the Department of Foreign Affairs. On the side of the military, you know, we just have marching orders, we just follow orders. If we will be told to do some back channeling, we will also do it, but we have to wait for orders coming from the higher ups.
Sa kabila niyan ay nanindigan ng liderato ng AFP na suportado nila ang pamahalaan na may nilabag ang China Philippine Sea. Kaya naman, nanawagan si Katapang sa China na ihinto na ang kanilang reklamasyon sa lugar.
We also believe that Chinese massive reclamation activities will cause tensions among claimant countries, not only because it could deter freedom of navigation, but also due to its possibility of military purposes. We support our government's move to protest the ongoing construction works which clearly violated the ASEAN-China Declaration in which the signatories agreed to resolve the territorial dispute peacefully and exercise self-restraint in the conduct of activities that would complicate or escalate disputes. We call on China to stop the reclamation activities and to be mindful of its responsibilities as a claimant state and an important member of the international community.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, ako si Wayway Makalma.